I just got back from running a couple of errands. I had to go to Walmart because I had to get a couple of things that we needed around the house. We went to the store yesterday. But I forgot a couple of things like deodorant for my husband and shampoo for him. But also we bought some gifts for a baby shower that we didn't make it to, and we bought them last minute. So, but we're getting them in the mail hopefully in the next day or so. And we have, I had to go buy a bag to put the gifts in, and I thought I was gonna find everything there, but they didn't have cute like baby bags like for the gifts, so I ran to Target. And then I found some ear muffs for Alfredo because he doesn't like beanies, and he can't find he's got like this, it's like a headband for your ears. He can't find it. I don't know where it's at. He wears it to work outside anyways. But at Walmart I picked up one of these because I have this in black, in a medium, no, in a small. I have this in black and I love this. The material is so soft, and they're only $5 I think, or less. Got a new Real Technique sponge. And then because my nails are feeling oh so brittle after I did that, because I did pull all of my nails off from my last little like press on set, because I knew I didn't want them on for the trip. So I have a week before the trip that we have planned, and so I got this Sally Hansen Hard As Nails. It says the nail clinic in a bottle. So I'm gonna do this to help kind of strengthen my nails. So I'm glad I found this. I ran outside to take the trash out, but I forgot to tell y'all earlier, over the weekend my husband brought home a Tesla Model Y, which if you've seen some other older vlogs, we were talking about getting a new car, and he had this crazy idea to get a new car, but I didn't want to get a new car. Or it's not that I didn't want, yeah, I was like on the fence on getting a new car because my car's paid off, and I just didn't think that we needed another additional payment right now. And so anywho, we talked about it last year and said let's revisit again this year. So he works at a dealership, and another Tesla came in, and he really liked it. It was white on the outside and white on the inside, which is what I want. I want the interior to be white, and then I want to wrap it on the outside. I don't know if I want to keep it white, but I want to do a matte color. So I was thinking like matte black if we ended up getting a Tesla. So anywho, long story short, he brought one home over the weekend, and we drove it, and we really liked it. He put in an application to see if we qualify for the car, and we will know something today. Okay, so Alfredo just left, and he came home. Oh, don't mind that. I'm starting to pack for Colorado, but he just came home with the good news that we got it. Hooray! So we got the Tesla. Yeah. It's crazy because he had a new car, and I've had my car's a 2012. 2010? I think it's a 2012, so it's super old, but it's fine. It's great. There's nothing wrong with it. I had no intentions of trading it in, but he trades cars in like crazy. He's always I guess he gets bored of cars or whatever. So anyway, so he goes through cars a lot. I do not. And so when I told him I was excited to potentially get a Tesla, he kind of ran with it. And every time one came through, he like looked at it and to see if it was a good idea. So anywho, he traded in his car, and supposedly now I'm going to be driving that car, and we're still keeping my old car. And I think the plan is, because now his company has allowed him to bring cars home, so he really, I think in his mind he was thinking like, I don't need a brand new car because I'm not really gonna be driving it, because now I get to drive cars home. And yeah, so now I have a new car. Just gonna show y'all my outfit real quick. I am wearing my little silver hoops from H&M, silver necklace from H&M, and then this little raw sweater that y'all have seen several times if I'm not mistaken, Abercrombie jeans, and I'm trying to wear these cream combat boots from Just Fab. I ended up changing because I didn't like the other outfits, especially to like go out and have dinner with friends. So I just changed into this because it got cold again here. Changed my jeans to some skinny jeans, and then put on gold jewelry. I don't think I've come on and said anything today, but good morning. Look at this pile of stuff. I worked out and I'm already ready for the day. I'm going to try to film, but look at this pile of stuff I have to pack in 2 suitcases, maybe 3. Roberto came home and he brought this. It's so good. Got a Poshmark package. Look at how sweet it was, wrapped like this in plastic wrap, and then a little thank you. Look at how cute this jacket is, and I love it. Don't mind all the mess I'm about to clean up. Burlington just specifically to get socks, like winter socks. So I found these were the last 2 pairs of like warm wintry socks for the boy. It's 5 pairs each. And then I found these in the men's section that I'm actually going to use for me. I think I got these that said they're boot socks, so they're nice and thick and tall, which is what I want. This pack for my husband. For some long sleeve shirts for me. I've been looking at like Walmart and Target and I haven't been able to find anything, so I got a black one and a white one for $13 at Marshall's. Chenille material cardigan. It's oversized. Oh, it's like super oversized. I thought it was a medium, but it's a 3X and it was $10. Not bad at all for a 3X. Totally digging how it looks, like the slouchy look. I think it's gonna be really nice for like traveling in it because it's like super soft. So glad I got this. I would not in a million years be able to fly on an airplane with all this clothes. Plus gear, like goggles that I'm still waiting on. Oh my God. Thank God we're driving because the amount of clothes we need for this trip is ridiculous. Hello, it's Wednesday and I haven't gotten on here at all. It is 2 o'clock and I'm about to leave to go get the kids. I just fixed my hair because I took a shower today. I hadn't washed my hair since Sunday. But I did film yesterday, so I was editing today, and then my friend came over for lunch, and then we're chit-chatting. Like 32 degrees this morning, and now it's like in the 50s, and I'm kind of sweating. I think it's like 60 tonight, this afternoon. So I'm about to leave, but good news, the electricians are here, and they're connecting the heater cooler. Okay, I'm about to leave to go get the kids, and then we're gonna go to Yuyu's house because she made pozole. Yeah, she made pozole and Aiden really loves pozole and their cousins are there, so we're gonna go hang out there for a little bit and maybe I'll leave them there. Okay, so I look like poo and I haven't really filmed all day. I haven't really picked up the camera, but I've been editing all day. Still editing now. The kids are home, but I was gonna tell y'all that I think I told y'all that we got the Tesla and it is not here yet. Like we bought, it's used. I think I mentioned that it's used. So it was, I won't open it right now. It was wrecked in the front, like the bumper, the corner of the bumper was messed up. And the wheels were really messed up. Like they're all beat up. The rims, the wheels. I always misunderstand that. Anyways, so the rim or the wheel they're all messed up. So my husband is getting those fixed and painted glossy black. They were like a gunmetal gray, maybe is what he said. They look black to me, but he said they were gray. And he got tint put on it. So I don't have it, and I probably won't have it until we come back from Colorado. I'm pretty excited about it, so I definitely want to share it with y'all. And mind you, I haven't had a new car ever. Like, we got a package. The last things I needed to get from our trip were goggles. I kind of sat on them for a while thinking we're not going to get them because we technically don't have, sorry for the we actually don't have any true skiing scheduled. We just have the one thing that I think we would need it for is, I think these are mine, is for the little, what is it called? Mom, yeah. Anyways, these are actually kids, but I got them for me. Oh, and they're perfect, I think. So looking at the reviews, the adult ones looked huge, especially when women would try them on. So I got these kids ones, and I think they fit fine. And then since we're driving our own vehicle to Amazon, it's this scraper and brush for like the snow. Okay, so I'm about to do a TikTok. This is a little Zara shirt that I got the other day. I didn't try it on for y'all. It's a bodysuit. So it's so super cute with the little like shoulder pads. I'm wearing it with this jeans. I was just going to do a TikTok to get people to go over and check out my new YouTube video, which is spring summer 2022 trends. And one of the things I talked about was bright colors. I think I talked to y'all earlier that I was filming a TikTok, and then I got on to trying to figure out how to edit this video that I wanted to do a little differently than what I normally do. And so I've been on TikTok trying to figure out how to do it. And I haven't really done much of anything at this point. But I'm making myself some quesadillas because I'm hungry. And I'm about to go get the boys. So yeah, I haven't really done much of anything. I should be packing, but I think I'm saving it for when the boys are here. Back with more Amazon things for the trip. These are the boys' goggles, 2 of them, and the jacket. I needed a jacket. I just didn't have a little like wintry, smaller, like shorter jacket. All of mine are like long, and I thought this one would work perfect. It's a little snug. Man, so terrible. But dinner tonight is McDonald's. Fred is going to a dinner for work, so he gets to go to a fancy dinner, which is why I want to cook. So here we are.
Herky.
Is it just one?
I have the other one.
I see. Ooh. Happy Friday. I have been totally MIA this week, it feels like, but I've been trying to keep the house clean and the laundry done, which I'm working on my last load of laundry. I don't want to come home to overflowing laundry and then having to wash laundry on top of that. Went to Walmart this morning so I could get stuff for the trip. I'm going to show y'all this little thing that we have for the car, which I didn't even know we had. I found in the garage. I was like, this is going to be perfect to pack up the car with like snacks and things we need for the road trip to Colorado. So I'm going to show y'all that because I went to Walmart and got all the stuff this morning. So I'll show you how I packed that up. And I'm going to show y'all my little outfit that I'm wearing for the day because it's freezing outside. I'm wearing this turtleneck, black turtleneck long sleeve, and then this little shirt from Target, skinny jeans, socks, and my combat boots. And it may look like I haven't done anything, but I've already started the packing process as far as the clothes go, and then later I'm going to bring in the car stuff that I want to pack. Okay, you're going to have to excuse Angelo yelling because he is playing in the room next to us, but I was going to show you what I'm packing for the car. So each of the children will have their own side because they like different things. So they love these lime chips. So we're going to take the lime chips or lemon chips for each one. This is Aiden's side. So hot Cheetos, regular Lay's, Pringles. Oops. Pringles, his favorite cookies, some fruit roll-ups, and some little gummy fruit snacks. Angelo's has lemon chips, the Lay's, cookies, and more cookies. Planning to pack sandwiches. So these are 4 sandwiches, one for him, one for me, for Daddy, and one for Aiden. So that's what those are. These are just snacks. And then I have right here in the middle, we have Alfredo's seeds that he'll be snacking on. Some just regular paper towels in case we need them. Toilet paper just in case there isn't any when we go to like a public restroom. Clorox wipes, and then regular wipes, and a little sanitizer, and I still need Kleenex to be put in here. In this little backpack cooler, and inside the cooler I haven't put anything yet. We have more waters on the top part of the fridge. Little waters, some Lunchables, little sodas because we're soda drinkers, and apple juice. I took the Pringles chips out and put these on for Aiden because I know he likes these too. So this backpack is going to have right now I have all our socks packed in there, all our snow gloves, and regular gloves in case we need them. I'm also going to put all our goggles in there so everyone's got their little goggles here. Oh, I'm missing Alfredo, and then these are Alfredos. Oh, I'll go ahead and show them to y'all because I showed y'all mine the other day. These are Alfredos. They are also like the frameless ones, like the ones I have, only mine are white. His are black. And then a ridiculous amount of beanies, so I'm going to go through which ones we're going to take once I get outfits put together. I've showed y'all my snow bib, but this one is mine. It is green, of course, and it's actually a kid's extra large, and it fits me just fine. I want to show y'all my packing skills for the boys. I added some more things to this little carrier. I read that at the resort they have these water stations, and they recommend to bring something to refill water stuff in. So I put in this for us, and then these two for the boys. And then I thought this would be a good thing to take. It's like a little 3D puzzle that we haven't built, and I thought this would be entertaining for the kids, or maybe even for me if I get bored. And then they're little squishies. Each of them have several squishies, and these are the ones they want to take. So yeah, I wanted to show you all that. I'm still in the very tedious process of packing. This is Saturday. I've got lots of undergarments, so long sleeve, overalls or coveralls. These are called coveralls. PJs, coveralls for Alfredo, PJs. This is on the way back outfit. This is my little Shein outfit to go back. Under long sleeves for Alfredo. These are all long sleeves for Alfredo. Turtleneck for me. Leggings. Skinny jeans. And so I've got this big kind of cardigan sweater that I showed y'all got from Ross. Doing packing cubes because I'm not doing the rolling method. I'm doing like the fold method to make it very like narrow to fit in the luggage better since the fabric is so thick on everything.
John W. Carpenter Freeway.